Morning everyone, welcome to another episode of the Hunt for Bronze. I'm actually on my second day fishing up at beautiful Lenthalls Dam. Day one was a bit of exploring, a bit of getting to know, so we caught one fish on jerkbait. That probably won't turn into a full video, but it'll turn into a video, part of a different video series I'm starting to film. But, cue on target, I'm here with a good mate of mine, long-time friend of the show, Mr. Andy Chew.
Morning.
There we go. That's what I expect from him. Exactly the level of chat we get from Andy on film. But yeah, we're out in the kayaks. So my first proper shot at chasing Barra in the kayak. I have caught Barra in the kayak before. However, they were in Sydney. So anyway, we're out here. We're doing it. I've got a jerkbait, a Topwater, and a live mullet tied on, and we're just going to give it a good old fashioned dangled. So if you haven't done so already, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. We are really hoping we catch a few fish on top to really start the day off well. I'm battling internally whether I throw Topwater or a jerkbait, so let's see in about 3 seconds what I go with. Let's do it. It's a jerkbait because it's actually just right there. Wasn't intentional, it was the first lure in front of me. And there's good snags there. So I've got two options for Topwater. I'm currently running the buzzbait, but I do have a plastic to run on top. Stupidly, I should have grabbed that anthrax. Silly man. It's in the car, I think. Oh. Yep. Charuski. Yeah? Yeah. Oh!
Was that on plastic that time?
What? Yeah. I just swapped over to the live mullet after missing. Oh, he hit again. Well, gold was the only coloured jerkbait I didn't try yesterday. But I threw the plastic in it. Get him, Andy. He's not a bad one either. You want a hand? Oi. Oh, no. Is he off? He's off. No, I mean off the snag. What can I do? off. Now put your hand in his gob. Largemouth bass him.
Fuck yeah. Oh yeah. Well.
Paddle.
Oh yep. That's even fucking smarter. Oh no. Now that we're here.
Yep.
Nice one.
There we go. Well done, Andy. Well done.
You'll be pushing 70 just about, I reckon.
Yeah, pretty close to it.
Pushing 70, high 60s.
Pretty close. Alright.
Nice fish, man. Nice
Great fish. Well done.
Rightio. Don't kick, brother.
Alright, lure swap time. I gave myself till the end of that. It did not work. So we are now taking the buzzbait off and going to a plastic. The black and gold plastic. And then if that doesn't work, I've got a white one there just in case. Plucky is on. We're on a 4-inch Rapala and a weedless jig head, so we can just roll it through here. It'd be interesting to see if not having a blade or an underspin on this actually makes a lot of difference. Or if I need it's the weight as well. Or hit. Yeah. Yep. You're like a Barra, but only smaller. You're a fun size Barra.
Wait, what was bigger? The one in Sydney or that one?
The one in Sydney.
Yes.
How's that, guys? My first Barra in the kayak targeting Barra, which is pretty cool, and he's absolutely rocked that. You got tapped? Yeah, right. There's a little school of them where we are, so I'm going to get this guy back, and it's a shame I don't have my BFS rod on me, because this would be the perfect one for it. Oh, yep. Alright. That probably filmed that almost jumping into the boat too. Time for a double.
This is the fucking life, isn't it?
Absolutely. What was that?
I was just talking to the Barra. Making sure he's actually tied himself out enough that he's not going to be a dickhead in the fire.
Whereas it's me, I'm just like yeeted into the...
Not bad. Well, it's choked it.
Yeah, I thought I saw that. Oh, yep, double.
Double.
Oh, he's all right.
He's alright.
He's all right indeed. Oh, yeah, he's a good one. There we go. You've woken yourself up now, haven't you? Ew! This is sick!
Hey, Julie, what are you doing?
Catching a barra. Or should I say struggling with a barra?
You know. You going to jump for me? Come back this way a bit.
Oh, thanks for the shower, dude.
What are you doing over there, mate?
Landing a barra. I'm just gonna move my boat kayak there and hopefully there we go.
Look at that.
2 fish, good times. I'll just take a screen grab of that.
Yeah.
We've had these fish for a while, not out of the water, they've been in the water a while, but you know, we're gonna get the hooks out and let them go. Give us a sec. He absolutely crushed it. Oh, hit. There's another one. He crushed it too. He's coming at me. Ah, yeah. Oh, you're kidding. You're kidding. Get him, Andy. We've got another double hookup, guys. This is wild. This is absolutely wild. Yours is not bad by the looks.
Yeah, he's alright. Okay one.
Oh, he's going mental. This is so cool. What a morning. What a morning. Bang. Ah. Got him. How is that? Oh.
I'm coming.
Wow. No, don't need to unlock, just need to see. Okay. Another pigeon pair.
Yeah.
That's only showing square, so it'll have extra.
Oh, yep.
How's that? They are an absolute pigeon pair. Andy's got the tail of his plastic through the gills of that fish. But we're having a blast. Anyway, we'll de-hook and let go. You need pliers? Oh, mine's gone.
Nice one, Stu.
While we've got a moment, guys, let's talk through what we're doing. So I've got this, what are we? Rapala Crush City Heavy Hitter. It is on a TT headlocks, chin locks head. with the chartreuse in the eye. Andy's got the one with the underspin on it, which is pretty cool. I got a 4-inch, he's fishing a 5-inch, I believe. It's kind of that I've got a black and gold and he's got just that straight gold. So I'm not sure if colour's actually doing any difference, but they both got that gold fleck in it. So they look like little Barra, little bonies and all that swimming through the water. Because I don't have that blade, I've gone with that chartreuse real bright head. And it kind of has a similar effect to that blade as it flashes and wobbles through the water like that. So it's showing off that kind of flashy thing. And my hopes are that Barra actually hitting that, because if they hit the head, they're likely to suck in the whole lure. Whereas the blade underneath, sometimes they just swipe at that. 55 pound Schneider leader, 8 to 14 pound ACM Custom Rod. This is actually my heavy bass rod that I use for swim baits, buzz baits, spinner baits. I use it for jacks, 20 pound braid, which people say is overkill for bass, but it's an all-round. And then my Accent SS DC, and that's it. That's as simple as what we're doing. And then I just cast it into the structure. I'm letting it sink a tiny bit and then starting to roll, because I'm fishing a 1/4 ounce, so it's just a bit lighter. Andy's on a 3/8 ounce, so he's pretty much casting and he's letting it hit and going straight away. He's going for the reaction. I'm kind of slowing it down to just get that subtle bite, and that's as simple as it is.